Hi guys, welcome to Organic Facts. In this video, we will talk about the 5 powerful benefits of ginseng tea that will help improve your health in many wonderful ways. Ginseng tea is an herbal beverage known all over the world for its medicinal properties. It is an anti-inflammatory tea that helps you relieve the pain of arthritis. Ginseng tea is rich in naturally occurring ginsenosides, which aid in regulating blood sugar levels in diabetics. By acting as an appetite suppressant, ginseng tea helps achieve your weight loss goals quicker. Research suggests that drinking herbal teas like ginseng tea is an effective way to fight cancer. Ginseng tea has the ability to normalize blood pressure levels in the case of hypotension. Making ginseng tea is simple. All you need is ginseng root, water, and honey. Grate some ginseng and add it to boiling water in a pot. Let the mixture simmer for about 20 minutes to get the best flavor. Your ginseng tea is now ready. Strain it in a cup and enjoy with a teaspoon of honey mixed in. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from Organic Facts.